How to put Telegram link on TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can put your Telegram link in TikTok bio. So for that, just open your Telegram first, and after that just click on the three dot icon at the top left hand side of your mobile screen, and from there just click on settings, and here you will see your account details like your phone number, your username and your bio, and you just have to long press on the username, and as you can see that your username has copied to your clipboard, and after that just come back to your home screen and open your TikTok account, and here all you have to do is just click on profile icon at the bottom right hand side of your mobile screen, and from here just click on edit profile, and now all you have to do is just click on bio and paste your Telegram username right here and just save it. And this is how you will be able to put your Telegram link in your TikTok bio. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.